Hi, I'm Patrick Goebel, President of Star. We are very excited about the Star Showcase home. We believe a home like this deserves to be restored to its absolute original beauty. It's in a wonderful neighborhood, and it's our goal to show what Star can do for a home like this. We've got all the products, the salespeople, and a lot of the remodeling partners out there, and we can help somebody like you bring your dream of making a Tudor revival home like this to reality. So I hope you enjoy the series. I hope you enjoy this project. I know my team is really excited about it, and we're excited to kick this off, and hopefully later this fall we can have a celebration with the Wichita Children's Home, and this will be a gem of the neighborhood. Check us out at www.starlumber.com or follow us on Facebook. Thank you.
Let Star guide you through the entire project.